こんにちは、It's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share a recipe for Japanese cream stew, クリームシチュー。We will use the instant pot to cook the stew ingredients, make the white sauce in a pot over stove top, and combine them back in the instant pot to finish. This creamy, rich, and comforting stew is one of my kids' favorite food, especially in winter time. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of the video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Shiju. It means stew in Japanese. In Japan, we have a lot of Western words which we pronounce in Japanese way, like sandwich and sandwich, pancake and pancake, rice curry and curry rice. Shiju. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time in my brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!